Today we are going to learn optional chaining. Now let's get started. Here you can see I've created a person object with properties name, age, details, and details have properties like designation and salary. Now if I try to access salary, it will work fine. Let me show you that example to you. Here you can see it is working fine. Say if I don't have this details property for this object, on that case it will not work and it will throw us an error. Let me show that for you. If I try to run my code again, this time I will get an error. Here you can see it is saying that I'm getting this error while accessing dot salary because this dot salary property is not exist. That's why we are getting this error. To solve this we need to use optional chaining. You can see we are getting cannot read properties of undefined reading salary. Now if you try to use this optional chaining is nothing but just need to use question mark, then you need to access the property. Now you will get undefined. Instead of that error you will get undefined. So the first problem is solved. And now if you want to provide a default value if the property not found, on that case you need to use conditional or. That's why I've added this bonus tip at the end, like use optional chaining and conditional or, because this will help us to set default value and the property doesn't exist. Let's use that. To use conditional or you need to specify like this. Now if the salary property doesn't exist in an object, it will have this default value. I'm going to have default value as 10,000. Now I'm going to save my code. Now if I try to run my code again, this time I should see 10,000 in my console. Here you can see it is showing 10,000. Thanks for watching.